I need to be hanging some doors, and I bought a couple slab doors, so there's no holes drilled, no mortises where the hinges would go. And I picked this up at Home Depot, Ryobi Hinge Jig. We're going to try this out and see how this works. This jig's pretty convenient. It comes with a way to set the length of your hinges. Mine is 3.5 inches. There's a slot for 3.5 inches. It comes with a little clamp there to clamp onto the door. It also has a couple little corners there for the, mine happened to be a rounded hinge, so you use these. On the back they'll just pop off for a square hinge. And it also comes with, I already mounted it in my router, but it comes with a pattern bit. Pattern bits have the bearing on top. It comes with a router bit to route the mortise in a little storage area for the bit itself, and a depth gauge for the depth of your hinge. So the end result, which we'll show you in a minute here, a nice mortise for the hinge. So the jig itself just clamps on to the door. Again, I'm simulating the door with this 2x4. Tighten the clamp. And our router, the router just sits on top of this plastic. And if you have a smaller router, it comes with this addition, which is just more or less the fourth side that the router will ride on. That just presses down. That's the fourth side. So you have, if you have a smaller based router, it will ride on all that. Again, this just pops off, pops in, and there's a little storage area for that. So let's see how that works. And I have it set now for the 3.5 inch hinge, and I have the rounded corner pieces in. So we'll set this on here. Tighten it down. One of the things I found to find the depth of your mortise, you could use the built-in depth finder. I found the easiest way to set the depth that I want from my hinge is by zeroing out the bit to the top of the door, and then with my depth stop bar also zeroed out, just lift it up, put the hinge in, tighten it down. This space here will now be our depth for the hinge. So this will be now our set for the depth of our hinge. So now we can go ahead and route that out. see how we did. Nice fit. Nice fit. So we'll just try it now on the door. Well, there you have it, my review and demoing of the Ryobi Door Hinge Installation Kit. And it works as advertised. Practice, practice, practice. You got to practice before we start it on the actual piece of material we're going to use it on. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.